Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 324 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is called Soft Focus, a moment to ease your attention and quiet the mind. Let's begin by taking a slow breath in and let it release gently. Let your attention settle on one simple thing. Nothing intense, just a soft focus. Notice how the mind relaxes when you stop trying to concentrate too hard. Now, say to yourself, I soften my focus. I allow stillness. And I relax my mind. Let the breath stay easy. Let your thoughts flow without needing to hold them. This is a space where effort can fade. When you are ready, bring yourself back to the present and carry this gentle focus with you through the rest of your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.